So, in today's video, we have the unboxing of the wireless charger RavPower 10 watts fast QI charger for Galaxy, Samsung S8, S7, Note 8, 5 watt standard charge, wireless charging pad for the iPhone X, iPhone 8, 8 Plus and all QI enabled devices. I bought this from Amazon for about £13. So without further ado, let us start the video. So let us just get into the box. We don't need a knife, we can just use our nails. Okay, get rid of that. So we have the cable. Okay, we don't get the plug, that's the problem. So we would have to be using our own iPhone plug that is given to us with our products such as the iPad. I'll just be using this, but it actually defeats the purpose because it just looks like this can go into this, this can then go into the iPhone. So let us see what's really happening. And I can connect this into this. This goes into the plug, the socket. And now this goes into this. Place the iPhone onto the stand. And there you go, the charging has begun. Very nice, very effective. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for now.